Have you ever had the experience when you're swimming and instead of getting air, you get a mouthful of water? Or an experience, I know when I was a kid, I would dive down to the bottom of the pool to get something and then, oh my gosh, I am out of air. What do we do here? If you've listened to any of our videos, you know I'm all about being calm and slowing down and having presence and ease. But I will tell you, there are moments that that's not what's called for. So even me, the lady of calm within, says it's not always about that. There is a time, and I'm going to give you the tip here at the end of where you need to focus. There is a time where you do need to focus differently. And that's one of these times when you are truly out of air. But before I tell you the tip, here's the other thing I want you to consider with your mental fitness that goes into your swimming journey, which is, am I acting all the time as if I'm out of air? Does my whole presence and my nervous system, is it always sort of in this heightened level? Maybe you notice this about yourself around in daily life, that you have a desire to be a little calmer and to have your nervous system be a little more settled and at ease. But there's all the pressures, all the things, and you're always acting as if you're truly out of air. This little tip is one to be used sparingly. Like when you're in a car, you wear a seatbelt all the time, but you only use it very rarely. Most of the time, it's your quality driving that you're using to keep yourself safe. So this tip is about these every once in a while times of an occasional thing that can happen. If we find that this occasional thing is what's happening all the time, this is when we need to implement some other tools earlier around your mental fitness and around our swimming acuity. But here's the tip for the times that you truly are out of air. You truly need it. And what's not called for is slowing down. What is called for is focus on your hands. Focus on your power. Focus on getting air any way that you can. It doesn't have to be right. It doesn't have to be perfect. But your hands are the things that are going to get you there. Putting your focus on pressing onto that water so your head can go in the opposite direction, come out, get some air, and then here's the essential part that everyone misses. You have to stop. What? I'm going to tell you more about that in the next video. But for now, when you're truly out of air, find the power. The power's in the hands. Press anyway. Make it up. It doesn't have to be perfect. I've seen lots of people do this who didn't even know they could do it. It came out of their essential survival piece. Press on the water, get your head out, grab some air, then stop. See me in the coaching circles if you're noticing that you're acting in life or in the water that you're out of air all the time, when in fact you're not. Your nervous system just doesn't know how to calm down. Start by taking the little assessment down in the show notes, and let's see how we can smooth that over so you only use the emergency tip for a small percentage of the time, not all the time. Aloha!